Every morning, millions of people pop one of these little pills, believing it's the shortcut to better health. But what if I told you that your daily multivitamin might be doing more harm than good? For decades, we've been told that multivitamins are the safety net for our diet, the secret to more energy, stronger immunity, even a longer life. But behind the glossy labels and health promises, there's a hidden danger that most people never hear about. And today we're pulling back the curtain. First, let's bust a myth. Studies show that for the average person, multivitamins don't actually lower your risk of heart disease, cancer, or early death. In fact, one massive review found that taking them daily gave almost zero benefit compared to not taking them at all. But here's where it gets dangerous. Over-supplementing can backfire. For example, too much vitamin A can damage your liver. Excess vitamin E, linked to increased risk of stroke. High doses of certain minerals like iron can build up and cause serious health problems. And the scary part? Most people don't even realize they're overdosing because vitamins hide in everything, from energy drinks to breakfast cereals. And let's be honest, the supplement industry is worth over $150 billion. Do you think they want you to know that you might not need their products? Not a chance. Clever marketing convinces us that if we're not taking vitamins, we're somehow missing out, but your body doesn't work like that. The truth is, if you're generally healthy and eating a balanced diet, you're already getting what you need from real food. Whole foods give you not just vitamins and minerals, but also fiber, antioxidants, and thousands of other compounds that no pill can replicate. But that doesn't mean all supplements are bad. For some people, like pregnant women, older adults, or those with specific deficiencies, targeted supplements prescribed by a doctor can be life-saving. The key is, don't self-prescribe, don't blindly trust the labels, and always ask, do I really need this? So the next time you reach for that daily multivitamin, remember, health isn't found in a pill. It's found in the choices you make every single day. What you eat, how you move, and how you live. And if you found this eye-opening, imagine how many of your friends and family still think vitamins are the magic cure. Share this video with them, hit that like button, and subscribe for more truth bombs about your health. Stay curious, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.